Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to use Tkinter to write Hello World in color. And first, I'm going to import from Tkinter, import all, and we are going to create our root by calling tk, and we are going to get our label font set, and this will be of times and size 20, and it will be bold. And now I'm going to create a label widget over here. This will be our label widget, and we need to create a label object, and we pass in our root and set the text value to hello world or hello world in color. Now I'm going to create a yellow text on black label. So we can do that by using our label widget dot. And now we are going to use the label widgets config method and pass in bg's value for the background value. That'll be black, and foreground value fg set to yellow. And we are going to use a larger font. So this would be over here, label widget dot config, and over here font will be label font, and we are going to initialize size, lines and characters. So this will be widget label widget dot config, and here height will be set to 5 and width set to 30. So now label widget, we are going to call a pack method, and expand will be set to yes, and fill property will be set to both. And now we can run our main loop by calling roots main loop method. So let's be root main loop, and just need to save our script. And after we run our code, we get this nice looking hello world in color message. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.